Our group is for anyone that's over the age of 16. It doesn't matter if you've never walked before, get off the couch and we'll build you up. And we'll go as far as you want to go. It's not about what we want you to do, it's what they're capable of doing and they're happy doing.